Divers, diners, and everybody would screw it up at the beginning. And I just go, can I just call it Triple D?
Hi, everybody. I'm Guy Fieri.
So what this was the pilot to see if it worked.
I love hot rods and hitting the open road.
The audio guy, David Canada, he's 6'2", at least 260, sitting behind the two seats, wedged down.
We're rolling out to find some of America's best diners, drive-ins, and dives.
The producer that made this, really smart guy, didn't have a budget to rent the car, so when we'd go to different towns, he would reach out to different automobile clubs and say, hey, look, we're looking for a vintage car to be in this.
When it comes to classic American road food, no place does it bigger than New Jersey. I mean, they got more diners than any other state. But come check
I forgot about that. Okay, look at the shirt.
That's the shirt. That's the shirt.
That's the shirt that started this whole ridiculous. So this was the only collared shirt that I had.
Well, because you showed up in a tank top.
In board shorts. I remember the first time I went in, they said, well, this is what we want you to ask. I went in, but I didn't ask it in the format they wanted it asked. And the producer said, come out here. What was that? I said, the guy's busy. He's in the middle of cooking. So I asked it like working with him.
It's not split. Don't send it down until it's split.
Make them split it themselves.
Just like the little smart aleck line that just went there, have them split it themselves, and the back and forth that went on. I didn't know what I was doing. That's just how we act. That's how we talk in a kitchen. It's a long American tradition. Good food, good prices, and a whole social experience. I think for everybody that watched the pilot for the first time, they're like, whoa. There are places like this in the country. Oh yeah, everybody knows about these. But why don't they get filmed? Why? Well, because they're not, who would go there? That's like a local spot. Exactly. The mom and pop joints, the really the heart and soul of the culinary world started with these mom and pop joints.
A cheeseburger with eggplant. A cheeseburger with eggplant. There you go. Very good.
It's characters like this that really make the show, and you always say food is the amalgamator of all people, and you're meeting all these characters through food.
Well, it may be a log cabin here.
Shut up, Chico.
I remember those days.
So do what I do. Go out and find them.
That scene right there, we're driving in that car, and I do we'll see it. We ran out of gas like 2 minutes later.
Yeah.
I'm Guy Fieri, and I'll be looking for you at America's greatest diners, drive-ins, and dives. See you there.